Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Anglo, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Kendall.
Hi, Kendall. Hello, everyone. I'm Riley. It's so wonderful to be here with you today. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling really good today, thank you. I woke up in a great mood this morning. It's a little warm outside, but the sky is clear and bright blue.
Oh, that sounds lovely. A clear sky always makes me feel happy. It's a bit cloudy where I am, but there's a cool breeze, so it feels very comfortable.
A breeze feels so nice, especially on a warm day. It helps you feel fresh and relaxed.
Yes, exactly. Without the breeze, the air can feel heavy and hot.
That's true. I don't like heavy air at all. I prefer light, fresh weather.
Me too. And Kendall, speaking of weather, that's actually our topic today.
Yes, today we're talking about the weather, how to describe it in English, and how people talk about it in everyday life.
It's a great topic because everyone talks about the weather.
Before we start, friends, if you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video and subscribe to Speak Anglo.
It really helps our channel grow, and we can make more fun English lessons for you.
All right, let's get into today's conversation.
Kendall, do you usually like warm weather or cold weather?
I like warm weather more, but not when it's too hot. When it's very hot, I feel tired and sleepy.
I feel the same way. When it's extremely hot, I just want to stay inside, turn on a fan, and drink cold water.
Yes, sometimes the sun is so strong that you don't even want to move.
Exactly. The heat can feel heavy.
But when it's warm and sunny with a little breeze, it feels amazing.
That's my favorite too. Cool air and sunshine together are perfect.
On days like that, I like to go outside, take a walk, or sit in the park.
Me too. I also like to open the windows and let the fresh air come in.
Fresh air always makes me feel better.
Yes, it gives you energy.
So warm but not hot, that's the best kind of weather for me.
I agree. That's what I call perfect weather.
That's why I really enjoy the seasons. They change during the year and each one feels different.
Yes, it keeps life interesting. We have spring, summer, fall, and winter.
Some people say autumn instead of fall.
That's right. Autumn and fall mean the same season.
I like the word fall because the leaves fall from the trees.
Oh yes, that makes it easy to remember.
In spring, everything starts to grow again. The flowers come out and the grass becomes green.
Spring feels fresh and new. The weather becomes warmer, but not too hot.
In summer, the days are long, bright, and sunny.
And very hot in many places. People go to the beach and eat ice cream.
In fall, the air becomes cool and comfortable.
And the leaves change color, red, orange, and yellow. It's very beautiful.
I love walking outside in fall weather.
Me too. It feels calm and peaceful.
Then winter comes.
Yes, winter can be very cold in some countries.
In many places, it snows and everything turns white.
Snow looks beautiful, but it's freezing.
That's when you wear big coats, scarves, and gloves.
And drink hot tea or hot chocolate to stay warm.
Weather is very different around the world.
That's true. Some places are hot almost all year.
Yes, countries near the equator are usually warm and sunny most of the time.
And some places are cold for many months, especially in the north and south.
In those places, winter can be long and very cold.
But in tropical countries, the weather is often hot and humid.
Humid means the air feels hot and wet.
And when it rains there, it can feel really nice because it cools the air.
Yes, after heavy rain, everything feels fresh and clean.
The streets look shiny and the air smells nice.
I love that feeling after a big rainstorm.
Me too. It feels calm and relaxing.
In some countries, people wait for the rain because it helps plants grow.
Without rain, there would be no food.
That shows how important weather is for our lives.
People talk about the weather a lot, don't they?
Yes, they really do. It's one of the easiest ways to start a conversation.
Especially when you meet someone new or see a neighbor.
Exactly. You don't need to think too much. You can just talk about the weather.
For example, you can say, "It's a beautiful day today, isn't it?"
Or you can say, the weather is really nice today.
If the sky is dark, you can say, it looks like it's going to rain later.
Yes, or I think we might get some rain today.
On very hot days, people often say, it's so hot today.
Or I can't believe how hot it is.
When it's cold, you can say, it's freezing this morning.
Or it's very cold outside today.
Weather talk is simple, but everyone understands it.
And most people will answer you and continue the conversation.
That's why weather is perfect for small talk. Kendall, do you usually use Celsius or Fahrenheit when you talk about temperature?
I use Celsius. Most countries use Celsius.
Yes, me too. Around 20 degrees Celsius feels really nice and comfortable.
That's perfect weather for me. Not hot and not cold.
But when it goes up to 30 degrees, it feels very hot.
Yes, at 30 degrees, I start to sweat and look for shade.
Same here. I need cold water and a fan.
And when the temperature goes down to 0 degrees, it's freezing.
That's when water turns into ice.
Exactly. You need a big coat in that weather.
Some countries, like the United States, use Fahrenheit.
Yes, in Fahrenheit, 70 degrees feels comfortable and pleasant.
That's about 20 degrees Celsius.
Good to know when you travel.
Let's talk about some more weather words people use every day.
Yes, words you will hear often in real life.
For example, sunny, when the sun is bright in the sky.
Cloudy, when the sky is full of clouds and you can't see much sun.
Rainy, when water falls from the sky.
On rainy days, people often use an umbrella to stay dry.
Yes, an umbrella helps keep the rain off you.
Windy, when the wind is strong and you can feel it on your face.
Stormy, when there is heavy rain, strong wind, and sometimes thunder and lightning.
Stormy weather can be loud and scary.
Another useful word is humid.
Humid means the air feels hot and wet, and sometimes sticky.
Yes, you can feel it on your skin.
Chilly means a little cold, not freezing, but cool.
You might need a light jacket when it's chilly.
And breezy means there is a light, gentle wind.
Breezy weather feels nice on warm days.
It helps cool you down. Before we finish today's episode, we have a question for you.
Yes, we would love to hear from you.
Please look outside your window right now.
What is the weather like in your city today?
Is it sunny and bright?
Is it cloudy or rainy?
Is it windy or cold?
Tell us in the comments in English.
For example, you can write, "Today it is sunny in my city," or "It is raining today."
This is great practice for your English.
And one more question for you.
What is your favorite season? Spring, summer, fall, or winter?
Tell us why you like it.
We love reading all your answers and learning about your countries.
Thank you so much for learning with Speak Anglo today.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with one friend.
Bye everyone. See you next time.